rich and
Okay,
famous
okay.
now.
You can't be a little sissy about it.
Be quiet. What's happening here? What's happening?
I'm just putting it back together so we can do a comparison.
I'm talking about like the head. Does the head have to be to fit in the hose?
Yes.
No.
What? No?
Head doesn't have to be, bolt does.
What's happening here, Drake?
Alright, so what we are doing
We're screwing up my
is
car.
noise modification bigger.
Bigger.
Noise modification for turbo noise and such with a 13
Yes.
Veloster. So
Well,
right
you
now,
can really do this with anything
stock
that's turbo.
system, if you can reach it.
Yeah.
So this one has a factory bypass valve on it. So start it up. It has a open air filter on it. So that'll be the booster here first. Give it a couple revs. Alright, shut her down. Perfect.
Good
We
job.
have this. Hey, come back. All right, now we need a band clamp
Oh my god.
that will fit around this that we can tighten up.
Oh god.
There's possibly one underneath the black toolbox. So now we pull off the bypass inlet to the air system here. Drake pulls it off. We have this. This is what goes on the bottom of a chair leg.
Oh,
You can get these at Walmart, a 4-pack for what, $2?
$2.
So we'll put that right on there.
right on there.
Yep, right on there.
Okay.
Oh, push that
Right
close.
back into the recirculation.
Hold on. I'm put this band or this clamp back on here. And then we'll take the clamp off of that and set on here.
So that clamp went on there.
That clamp on there. So that'll leave this open. So basically what we've done is we've turned the bypass into a blow off because it'll blow off here, vent to atmospheric pressure.
Would you be fine with redneckity hose clamps?
That's exactly what I'd be fine with. This redneckity hose clamp is not big enough. This redneckity hose clamp is broken.
Oh man.
None of these redneckity hose clamps are big enough. We want one about that size but not broken. Go ahead and fire it up. So now we've got basically blow off. Go ahead, bud. So that's how you get to that point. That should tighten up small enough. We'll take a bolt. Bigger.
Oh.
Thought it was big enough. I told him wrong. He is the small engine guy, so.
What do you mean? He has an inline 6.
So what's it
He
actually?
also has two 12s.
So it's just gonna make it sound different.
It's gonna make it sound cool.
Cool.
This is for your Fast and Furious sounds.
Like. Okay. Cool.
No, it doesn't matter.
This is
You can say it.
super low cost, under $5. Usually stuff you've just got laying around the house.
I have never seen a bolt that big.
Or just like, go to a hardware store. Those bolts
Yeah.
will probably cost you about $1.
Yeah. I'm gonna help him find something.
See what you
We'll
got.
see. We're gonna see.
Gonna see.
Perfect.
Oh man.
All right, flathead screwdriver or nut driver that'll fit this. Maybe 3/8. 3/8, 5/16.
Hey, there's a lot of stuff over there on that chair behind Michaela.
Or a flathead screwdriver, doesn't matter.
First one to find one gets a chicken nugget. And that would be Drake.
No, that's Aiden, because Aiden handed it to Drake.
Okay, Aiden Walter, whatever.
Walters.
Aiden Walters. 22.
Make sure you get
Football star.
Is that one? That one's too big. Let's see.
Because I'll probably do it a little faster.
Good job, Rye.
Do I get chicken nugget?
Sure.
Now, in theory, this should work.
We're all about theory here.
What's that mean?
Well,
It
we
means
know
in theory it might not.
There's a
we
good
we
chance.
we know that one way definitely works.
Okay.
This is our first time trying this, but
Now, shut it. Okay, just shut it all the way down. So, fire it up.
What if it like blows off?
Hey, point the hose. Showing it. I'm pointing it at the battery. Okay. So, go ahead. Fast and Furious flutter.
The furious sound
For basically nothing. What did we spend on this? $2? $2.30.
And a
There you
chicken
go.
nugget.
And a chicken nugget for me or Aiden or Drake or.
we want full flutter. Don't strip it though.
So whose idea was this?
Who do you think?
All right, we won't tell him in the video then. It was Rise.
It was a
Don't
collaboration.
give him too much self-confidence. I just realized how big the headlights in these things are.
Let's hear it again.
Fast and Furious! Heck yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What was it?
Ninja code. It's just for the bypass valve. No,
So if you can look at the check light,
pretty much. I think that's what it's gonna wind up being. Let's plug it up before you shut it all. Where's the reader? There it is.
Well, I don't really care to video that, so.
all that stuff cut it in.
Come on over, Liza.
Oh my
And
goodness.
we're gonna do a little ride along.
I was about to say, we'll just need a compilation of stupid in the end.
Yeah.
Now see if
All right, turbo supercharged bypass, mechanical, same thing, mechanical, confirmed, pending, and permanent. So, just go back, we'll erase codes, on, we will erase the twos, we'll erase the twos, so we're clearing the ECM of that.
It's kind of hell, guys. Don't even.
Communicating.
this is just
Don't even.
how should I say it? Temporary
Cat litter in your
until I get my actual blow off or I guess bypass valve in. So I'll be living with a code for about 2 weeks.
Code sent, ABS trans, and
So if you do that, it's gonna throw a code.
very possibly.
Depending on
Go ahead and
like
pull
if it's I don't know.
All right, start the car. Code gone.
After I clean up, you're still on my. Dude, I saw it.
All right, windows got to be down. Sorry, I know it's cold, but
All right, windows down. See you guys later. Oh my gosh, we ran over his foot.
Thank God. I'm waiting for this code to kick back on.
Hopefully not.
Yeah, it probably
it
will.
won't until it builds enough pressure to realize there's an issue.
I wish it was light outside.
In normal driving, I'm sure it won't do it. Wait. All right, give us some stew.
Why is the freaking?
High rev.
Oh yeah.
No code.
No
so
code.
far.
Let's
They'll
go.
probably end up doing it whenever I turn it back
You
off.
might do it only in neutral. You might not be able to build enough revs for it. Whoever doesn't have their seatbelt on,
I have mine on.
Sorry, I was just taking a quick detour. Pass me, please.
they're turning the other direction. Okay, whip it around and get some high revs in there for the good stew.
Oh yeah.
it. We've got it stewing for basically nothing.
And it's not hurting anything either.
Good sound, no codes in daily driving. Neutral revs, I think, is what's throwing codes. That, or maybe it's just the fact that I had to reset the computer for it to realize and reboot, knowing
But
that that's all it's getting out of the bypass.
And it drives fine?
Flutter does not hurt a turbo. This is not hurting the car whatsoever.
Yeah.
No, that's just because it's a
For legal
Veloster.
reasons, I'm kidding.
For legal reasons, that was a joke.
Yeah,
All right.
for legal reasons.
Do
No,
not
he-
try.
he-
Oh, wink, wink.
He was right. That was just a myth. So I think that's it. Basically, free turbos, and I think that's it. Give us some stew to end it off with.
Hold it at limiter.